Hello everyone, I am Ashutosh and I am from Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I would like to thanks to the entire team of Evision because just before 45 days I just joined the Evision for a placement course which I completed in the 45 days. After that I got a chance to give the interview in many companies and finally I got selected in the MICROLAND I-10 package of 2.5 LPA and in the Evision I have learned the Windows administration, Linux administration and CCNA and networking and virtualization. I have completed the course and after that I give the interview to many companies and finally I got selected in the MICROLAND. So I would like to thanks to Evision and the entire team of Evision. And if anyone is searching job in the IT sector, then I will highly recommend to join the Evision, to join and complete the course. Then you get the job very easily. Thanks to all.